Okay. Going through the woods on the way home. Which way? This way? Ooh, lots of blackberries. I think that way.
Yeah, I started that. Oh, dear. Ooh, spike.
Yeah, I think that's holly.
Ow.
And it's kind of spiky. And some raspberries get you? Go around them.
How?
Right through.
This way.
I'm coming.
This way. Someone's been here.
Yeah, I see that.
What the?
What a great tree.
Someone's been here.
You can go that way.
I'm an expert at finding a slug.
That's okay, go around it. Slugs. Ew, and another one. Alright, I'm coming. How to get a close-up of the slugs.
This way.
I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Because look, the park's back that way.
Go this way.
But look, the park's that way.
Oh, this way.
And we want to go, not that way, but this way. All right, I'm coming.
This way.
No, this way.
Oh, we can go your way.
We'll go around that way next time.
In that way.
How cool is it to walk through the woods on the way home from school, huh? It's awesome!
Yeah, follow me next time, too.
Okay, I'll follow you next time too.
See? Easy.
I see.
We got a lot.